Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to see your Spotify Wrapped 2023 again. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify on my phone and this is how the application looks like once you open it. So I'm right now in my library and as you can see guys, you can find wraps right here. Here in the bottom, you're going to find four sections: home, search, your library, and lastly, the premium section. Go ahead and click on the home section. And then right here in the top, you're going to find your profile. If you want to see your profile, you're going to find all, music, podcasts, and lastly, you're going to find the wrapped section. So once you click on wrapped, right here, you're going to find your wrapped, your top songs, 2023 in music, merch for you, live events, and lastly, create a blend. So if you want to see your wrapped, just go ahead and click on your wrapped. And then, as you can see, guys, you can see your wrapped in like a story of Instagram, but each story includes a song that you listen to the most. So once you finish seeing your wraps, you can see them again by clicking on your wraps right here. If you want to see a list that includes your top listened song, go ahead and click on your top songs. And right here, you're going to find the list of the songs that you listen to the most. And right here, you're going to find also some playlists that you listen to. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.